Well, the building is finally finished, you guys. This was an old building I built some time ago. I forgot it was underneath the layout all this time. So I modified it so it's shrunk. And a crane is about to put the sign up there. So the sign needs to be made. Yeah, sure. The ballast was already hardened when I checked it again. So it's already dried. Yeah, I still need to move those log cars. Eventually I will. Yeah, this building's coming along pretty good. Construction guys finally showed, and they'll just put up the sign on top of the building, the Grand Furniture Maker Company. They did pretty good there. Trying to look for under chassis for this transfer caboose. And this was the first transfer caboose I've gotten. I guess I found the under chassis for this thing. It's from an old Bachman caboose, and I think it's been in the box for some time. You could tell the rail lines are not there. It's been thrashed. I don't know how long it's been in that box of mine. Yeah. And I found these. This was part of the detail parts on top of the old under chassis. It went to this. So the under chassis part, I don't know where that went. And this was the first kit for this transfer caboose ever came out. And that was the first manufacturer that made these transfer caboose kits. I only paid for this for $15. So it's that type of soft plastic what makes the molding out of. You could tell inside there the color. It's very durable. And it can break. You have to be careful, and that's why I came to collusion. That's probably what happened to the under chassis. Went to this. It must have broke. It's funny because I found this. I don't know where the other piece went underneath of it. So guess I better start working on this, and I can show you when I get finished. The next locomotive the MSRL is going to get. And soon this locomotive's going to be running on the rails of the Milwaukee Southern Railway lines.